The Universal Windows Direct Guide to Cleaning and Maintaining Your Windows. Sliding glass door. Sliding glass doors from Universal Windows Direct are easy to clean and require minimal maintenance. Universal Windows Direct recommends Goof Off wipes and Mr. Clean Magic Eraser to clean the vinyl frames, and Sprayway Glass Cleaner and most other standard cleaning products are great for the glass. Poorly cleaned and maintained sliding glass doors can be unattractive and bothersome. Dirt, smudges, and grime are much more visible on glass than conventional wood doors. The rail on which the door runs can also get dirty, affecting how smoothly the door opens and closes. The door frame and handles are used extensively, which makes them likely to accumulate smudges and smears. Be sure to check out our other videos for tips on how to operate, clean, and maintain your windows from Universal Windows Direct. If you have any questions about your sliding glass door, contact Universal Windows Direct at 800-984-5846.